Right. This is a new pencil. Anyway, this is a little of a bit. Alright, so this is a new question which is about standard deviation and normal distribution. It's a bit annoying question there. So we have to have a clear mindset. The question asks for 80% come from here to here, so we want to have a better bit of it. So to find out what is the standard, what is HS. However, we have the mean. We do not have the standard D, but lucky we got a certain range there. So we could find that by finding the Z-score. The Z-score of it is the value 168 minus the mean times the standard D. We get those, which the Z-score we could find it from a normal distribution there by inverse. So statistics, and then we go for distribution, normal distribution, and this time because we have a percentage there, we will have the inverse. Alright, so it's left smaller than 0.07. 0.07 is the probability, and then we have the standard D. We do not know it, so it's 1 there, and the mean is 0. Whenever you do not know any of those, and you need to find the Z-score. The Z-score will be 1 and 0. That is the setting of it. So after that, we find the probability of those. So we have negative 0.9541652 standard D, throw it to the other side, equals to 12. Sorry, negative 12. So the standard D will be another division. So we got that with the calculator. And then we have 12.5764 like this, because actually we need only 3 significant figures, but then I just take a few more. So with that, we have the mean is 180, standard D equals to 12.5764 now. Alright, if we draw the diagram, we have the mean 180 here, we have 192, and then something maybe here, we don't know, so I draw it here. 192, because it's 80%, so it should be bigger. So we have minus H there. To find out where that is, I will have to find out the whole thing, right? And this will be the whole thing. And then the given bit here is the 80%, which we find. So after that, after the 80%, we minus that, we will be able to find out this value here. After that, we will find H. That's the strategy. So we find that out first. So probability of X smaller than 192 would be equals to, we have the mean and standard deviation here. So we have more things we can do more things. So statistics, distribution, normal distribution. NCD, we have anything smaller than 192%. So we got that. So we have the standard D this time, 12.5764. Double check the number is right. Yes. And then we have the mean 180. We should have a probability of 83%. Alright, so this bit is 80, so this is with 3%. So probability of X smaller than 1912 minus H should be 3%. So reverse that, we will be able to find that 192 minus H will equals to what? So now this time we go back to our go back again, exit a bit, normal distribution, this time inverse. We want the left side, but we got 0.03%. Now we got 156 for the height there. 3 significant figure minus value, so we don't need it. So then we can find it. 192 minus 156, we can find that H is 36. Nice and easy.